Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share foggylove.com reviews. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of this website. Guys, this video will help you to decide whether should I buy from this website or not. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that they are offering variety of products such as trendy dresses, shoes, bottoms, swimsuits and accessories. Guys, here you can see that the prices of the products are too good to believe as they come with 56% discounts, 49% off and so forth. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that many payment options are available such as Visa, Union Pay, MasterCard, JCB, Discover, PayPal and so forth. Friends, let's check the shipping method now. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time along with shipping fee is directly stated. Once the order is placed, the items will be shipped within 3 to 10 business days. Apart from this guys, they offer free shipping over $69 and charge $6.95 as a shipping fee if the order amount is less than $69. Now, let's have a look on return refund policies as they play a very crucial role. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 14 days. If 14 days have gone by since your purchase, unfortunately, they will not offer you a refund or exchange. Guys, one very important thing that you need to know before you buy anything from foggylove.com is that in case you choose to return the product, then the return shipping charges need to be paid by the customers. And guys, talking about the cancellation, so here you can see that they will offer you a full refund if you request to cancel the order within 24 hours of purchase. But if you cancel the order that have not been shipped after 24 hours of purchase, then in such a case, foggylove.com offers a partial refund. That is, they deduct 15% from the total amount as the cancellation fee. Now, let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, foggylove.com uses HTTPS connections, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 7th September 2020. Thus, this website is new, and because of this reason, foggylove.com is not much popular among the people. Now, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So, over the official page in Contact Us section, we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is info@followmeme.com. And guys, here we can see that the customer service number is not provided, which is a bad sign. In addition to this, the addresses provided here are not available on the Google map. Apart from this guys, foggylove.com lacks presence on social media platform, which again is a bad sign. And talking about foggylove.com reviews guys, so over the internet I could not find even a single customer review, and also the trust score of foggylove.com is very low. So guys, all these negative signs indicates that foggylove.com is not a trustworthy website. Addition to this friends, the images of the products over the website are not unique, and 100% of the content over the website is copied as it matches with the content of other websites. So guys, based on these checkpoints, I would like to conclude that misleading company's address, lack of contact number, and copied content over the website led us to believe that foggylove.com is a highly suspicious website and possibly a scam. So, guys, prevention being a better option, I would suggest you not to buy products from this website as there is a high risk of receiving counterfeit goods or nothing at all. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below and do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay informed and to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.